Hi everyone. Do you know data science is one of the most sought after job in IT professionals where they get paid around 20 plus lakhs per annum? IBM is going to conduct a free webinar on introduction to data sciences. Here is the greatest opportunity to get to know more about what is data science and how you can start learning about data sciences. That webinar is on 9th of November. It's free of cost. It is be conducted from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Let us take a quick look on what topics they would be able to provide more insights on. They would provide introductions about the artificial intelligence, the data science with machine learning capabilities, what is deep learning and their differences. Also the typical DS project phases, what it includes about the data cleansing activities and what data exploration mean along with data modeling as well as the important feature of reporting altogether to provide more business insights, how business going to derive insights from the data what they have collected so far. Please note that registration will close 24 hours prior to the event and you will receive instruction to join around 12 to 15 hours prior to the commencement of the webinar. The registration link is given in the description box for your references. And if you like to know more details about the webinar, please check out the IBM website given in the description box again. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates and share with your friends who might be interested in the data sciences. Thank you.